a spot if you don't really put the work in. This past year was full of long nights and longer days, cause in the rap game, nothing is forever certain.
What's going on, everybody? We're gonna make this exhaust go away, basically. I'm gonna chop it right here, and then I'm gonna chop it right here. I know everyone says not to chop it off, but I don't really like these. I don't like them at all. As you can see, it's kind of still a little original. I kind of want to go with like the bobber look of this thing, so I'm gonna start there with chopping these pipes, and then possibly having to mess with a mixture of air and fuel. But we'll see how that goes. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. I'm pretty nervous, to tell you the truth. So I took off the heat shields on both of them. Two things I grabbed: safety glasses, of course, and a grinder. So I'm gonna cut that weld. I hope it starts after. I'm so nervous. Yeah. Leave a comment in the bottom. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Like they said, they have there's the back and the front, obviously. The front obviously has it like this for a reason. I might just weld like an open tab right there, so it's nice and clean looking. And then I'm gonna weld it so this doesn't rattle. So the inner tube doesn't rattle around or get a rattle sound, I guess. So we'll see how it goes. So far so good, it looks like. And besides, you notice I took it off because I couldn't get around with that blade I have. I had to go all the way around, but I'm gonna clean it up. I didn't want to mess anything. I didn't want to cut my rakes. Alright, let's see how it goes in a minute. I'm gonna wrap these. I got myself some heat wrap. I'm gonna wrap it up and then check it out from there. Front one, back one. It's heat wrap. Some water. Loosens it up because it has some paint. Yep.